All right, guys, this is part two of the box plot. For some reason, the first one cut out, so I have to make part two. You do not have to watch part two if you know what you're doing. Part two is just for me to finish out this first practice page. So if you know what you're doing, you do not have to watch the video for this part. But I just want to post it for people that may need some extra help. So we were doing number 7, which quartile represents the greatest spread in data. We're just looking for which quartile has the most data with it. And it would be from, the first quartile over. Look how much data, look how long that whisker is on that side. Okay, how would you describe the variability of the number of college applications? You don't have to do that question specifically, okay? There are many different answers when we're talking about variability. And what variability means is there a lot of variables or is there a lot of spread in our numbers? And in this case, there really is, right? Because it says Christina conducts a poll to determine the number of colleges high school seniors applied to. She creates a box plot to represent the information. So most people applied to almost 9 colleges. So there's definitely a spread of variability. However, we could say that most seniors applied between 4 and 8. So most seniors applied to about 4 colleges. And then the next part, the last part of this says, use your knowledge of box plots to determine if the statements below are true or false. So you're going to read the statements. And for those of you that have to do it on the Wiser Me page, if you click the dot or even if you type something and then click away, it'll take the text box away so you can read the whole description. This is the range in rainfall in the winter was 12 inches. Remember, range is the difference between the lowest, so your maximum number and your minimum number. So you're just going to subtract the two and see what that is. So then once you are ready to answer, you can click back on that and put in your answer. Okay, so if it is in the way, you can type in an answer and come back to it and erase it. Okay, this practice page, I really, really want you to try on, and we are going to go over it. Like I said, virtual students, you are not able to make your box plots. However, what we will start doing is I'll have you start doing them on paper, pencil, and then taking a picture of them and sending them to me so I know that you are doing them correctly. But really the main part is just knowing how to get the data from the box plots, just identifying what those numbers actually represent. So I hope you guys have a great Friday and a wonderful weekend. Make sure that you take your time on the worksheet. If my traditional students finish the worksheet, make sure you turn it in and then work on MobyMax once you finish. I will see you guys on Monday.